In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an invoice in QuickBooks Online. If you're managing your business finances with QuickBooks Online, you know how important it is to keep your records clean and accurate. Sometimes you may need to delete an invoice, whether it was created by mistake, contains incorrect information, or is simply no longer needed. This quick tutorial will walk you through the exact steps to delete an invoice in just a few clicks. And if you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Now, let's dive into the steps. First, open QuickBooks Online and log into your account. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side of your screen, where you'll see the navigation panel. This is where you'll find all the main options for managing your finances. Next, click on the Sales option in the navigation panel. This will bring you to the Sales section, where you can manage everything related to your income, invoices, and payments. From here, locate and select the Invoices tab near the top of the page. This is where you'll see a complete list of all the invoices you've created in QuickBooks Online. Now, scroll through the list to find the specific invoice you want to delete. You can also use the search bar to quickly locate it if you have a lot of invoices listed. Once you've found the invoice, look to the far right side of that invoices row. You'll notice a small downward arrow, sometimes referred to as a caret icon. Go ahead and click on that small arrow. This will open a quick actions menu with several options. From this menu, select Delete. After selecting Delete, QuickBooks Online may ask you to confirm your choice. If you see this prompt, simply confirm the deletion by clicking the appropriate button. QuickBooks will then remove the invoice from your records. And that's it, you've successfully deleted an invoice in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.